What up, guys? Welcome to the Only Profits Academy, and today I'm going to be selling the euro yen to the price I just marked. Wait a second, I'm going to try to modify that take profit properly. And the trading system I'm going to be showing you today is by far the most powerful trading system on the planet. And the earlier you can figure this trading system out, the earlier you can start making money like the banks and the top 5%. Took the first position, placing my take profit on that price. There we go. I'm going to take the second position right now. There we go. And yeah, I'm looking at leaving the market with a little over $11,000 in each position. This is a close to 25 pips trade. Let's see what the market has in store for us today. And going through my account history, you can see a couple of trades that hit take profit time back to back. And I'm going to explain my entire thought process, my current opinion of the market structure for the euro yen, and basically just explain why I got into this trade. But what I want you guys to understand is that this is a method 2 trade, and it never fails. This system has made me the most money I've made in my entire life. I've made millions using this system to trade the Forex market. Yeah, so everything looks good. I'm going to get back to you guys in a bit. So let's see what the market has in store for us today. Stay tuned. Well. What do we have here? Running in profits, guys. Got into the trade a couple of minutes ago, and it's 7 minutes after 6 a.m. here in Miami, and I'm actually trying to set an alert so that I can show you guys the trade hitting take profit over $11,000, and I've barely started the day. This is how powerful this system is. As you can see, there was literally almost no drawdown, probably 2 pips at most. The system is still working in full effect. So yeah, trade is running in profit. Quick update on the trade, and yeah, let's see how or what the market has in store for us today. Yeah. There we go, guys. Take profit hits. I actually snoozed off for a bit. I couldn't record the trade hitting take profit, but you can see that the trade was literally a sniper entry. Take profit hits, and I effortlessly left the market with over $22,000. And going through my account history, you can see the remarkable level of competence and consistency that I have been able to achieve trading the Forex market. And how did I do this, guys? By making sacrifices, hard work, and most importantly, gaining access to knowledge that only the top 5% have access to. $22,000 in probably less than 2 hours, guys. This is too easy. And by the way, I mentioned this earlier, this is a method 2 trade. And as far as the technicals for the trade goes, the euro yen is in a sell trend. All I had to do was use the method 2 trade to follow the trend to profit. It's really this easy. I do not have to tear down the charts from the weekly time frame to the daily time frame to the 4 hours to the 1 hour. I mean, some guys even use TradingView and tear it down. They're like, my goodness. Trading is not that difficult. Once you understand the universal truth about the market, making money becomes second nature to you. I've mentioned this earlier. I have made the most money in my entire life trading this system. So I have 1,000% confidence in this system. I mean, this is beautiful. Literally, the market melted from my entry to the take. God damn it, guys. I mean, this system is just impeccable. Damn. And this is too easy. This is the level of consistency you can achieve. I am not Einstein. I am not the smartest person or the smartest trader in the world. And some of you guys are too egotistical. You want to keep tearing down the chart and keep proving to yourself that you are the best trader in the game. I have spent thousands of dollars learning from people older than me, younger than me, before I figured out how I can consistently leave the market with money. Because that is what matters at the end of the day. It doesn't matter who you're learning from. It doesn't matter how your trading style is, what your trading style is. What matters is you actually making money from this market. It's $1 trillion market. Everybody can make money. Now is the best time to decide if you want to keep struggling with the market or you want to actually make money from this $1 trillion market, because this is too easy. It's actually quite early here in Miami. It's just 1 minute after 7 a.m. and I just wanted to show you guys that this is easy. $22,000 effortlessly made trading the Forex market. I have successfully made close to 100% of the initial deposit on this account, and I'm going to be uploading more trades. So if you find any value in this video, go ahead and like the video and also subscribe so you can actually watch a Forex trader make money consistently, actually put his money where his mouth is. And if you want to learn about how I trade, how I look at the market, you can visit the website. If you want to copy my trades, you can also visit the website or send me an email, or you can join the free Telegram group to send me a message on my Telegram, or just stay updated on my daily trades, because I at least try to upload on the Telegram 4 or 5 times a week because I'm usually always busy. So yeah, Clinton signing out from Miami. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to get see more videos like this. And hey guys, trade safely.